We're going to Milford Sound today. Milford, Clifford. Here's our bus stop.
This is our group that will be travelling through to Milford Sound. So we're going to become good friends. We're going to be with each other for the next 12 hours. Right direction, so that's pretty achievable. That's the start of the Kawerau River that runs to the east. Down on our right, the one lane. So in the ski season, you can imagine, we would be backed up 7 kilometres. And it was when that mountain range was surveyed that they found that. Just telling me it's a gorgeous 14 degrees Celsius. Aucklanders, you're just loving 14 degrees, aren't you? Keep warm. As I said, the coach will be locked. If you've got any questions.
Currently at a cafe for a stopover. Tiano, we're having pie for breakfast. Kuya's got
Lamb.
yeah,
Yep.
lamb because we drove past all the sheep and Kuya decided lamb was the food for today.
Pag walang tao mo nito.
Kung meron daw area na walang network.
We're back on the bus with our takeaway cocktails. We'll be going to Milford Sound now. How long will it take us?
3 hours.
What? Stops?
Maybe for photos, but I don't know if she's gonna stop.
Maybe for photos. So we'll see. I'm gonna take a nap after I drink this. So.
1892, one day he said, oh, look a little breezy out there.
Stop number 2. Mirror Lake or Mirror Lakes? It's a pond according to the driver. Wala lang, pang vlog lang. This is Lake Gun. decided to go on the boat.
Alin ba dito na? Bali kahit ano na lang kukunan ko na.
We're going Pier 5. This is the terminal. So this is the boat we're going on.
Right up front, guys. Come in there.
Not the front. It's outside. Go to the top. Go to the hat.
We are at the boat. Ayaw eh, ng mama mo.
Lunchtime.
Dahil lalamig ang payo.
Busog ako.
Chips, crackers, and
Sa bahay ko na ito kakain.
Chicken and rice. Naku dahil, magpapakain may chips.
Baka mabaliktad yung akin.
we're still on the boat. They drove the boat under a waterfall. And he was like, waterfalls are wet. Because apparently people don't know they get wet under a waterfall.
Dito daw sa side.
We are on land, finally. How was your second trip?
Same.
The same?
Told myself I wasn't gonna come back after the first one.
But here you are.
No.
We've got Mrs. Doubtfire. We're waiting for another bus. Because, I don't know, how low the clouds are or how high up they're. Right, so update, the other bus broke down. So we have to go back and pick them up. Hopefully,
No, we don't know if we're picking up.
we don't know if we're picking
But they
them
told
up.
us to go.
But we're there to help.
We're gonna talk about us.
We're gonna carry that bus around these mountains. Oh my gosh. Shucks. This is nerve-wracking. Okay, we're going back. We're gonna have to go back to Milford Sound.
So my guys,
We got the people. We're a few hours behind schedule, but that's all good. At least we're all safe. Just got off the bus. It was a 6-hour journey. Currently walking up the hills to get to our accommodation. Last night in Queenstown. I'm still deciding if I want to go and get a burger before going to bed. But I'm pretty tired. So those who don't want to waste their last night in Queenstown can go and do their thing while I can get my full 8 hours. Last night in Queenstown, ending the night with a Ferg's burger. Kuyo was just taking photos of the stars outside because there are so many. They're so beautiful. But yeah, yum. Final day in Queenstown. On the way to the airport, just tidying up the accommodation. But look at the view. It's different every day, but always beautiful.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
We're all matching today with our hill figure. We're gonna pass by Ferg Baker real quick because it was closed last night when we went, and we want pie to take home. So we're gonna do that before we head off to our 10:30 flight.
Be beautiful.
Did you enjoy your little stay?
Be beautiful.
I'm feeling sad, really. I'm really feeling sad leaving our beautiful accommodation here in Queenstown. We've got the best accommodation, I tell you, mind you. It's just so overwhelmingly beautiful. The views that we have, the comfort of this nice, beautiful accommodation. And now we're feeling sad leaving Queenstown. But we're gonna be back. I'm sorry. I'm just being emotional. Just because of the very beautiful Queenstown.
Here's a panoramic shot from the rooftop. Hiningal ako dun. The clouds look so low. Or are we just that high up in the... oh my gosh, that flight of stairs. On our way back to Auckland.
Parang may mas.
Kaya nga dapat. Oo nga.
Oo nga!
Kaya. Comedy talaga ito sila. Daddy mo talaga, komedyante. Kahit hindi niya sinasadya.
Just passed through security. I was stopped again. It's giving me airport trauma from when I was searched in America. Apparently I have so many wires in one place I can't see through my bag, so they had to look through my bag and then they had to get me to walk through because I keep beeping. Waiting for our airplane. Still has not landed. How is it? Where is it? Oh, there. I think that's our plane. I don't usually have breakfast, so up and go has been keeping me going this whole trip. What are your highlights and lowlights of this trip?
Highlight is going home.
Highlight is
when we living of life. The low light is when I went to Binoki. Wow. And the high light is yesterday in saan tayo punta? Milford Sound.
We're home and it's hot.